Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free. You can use the features in Word's Mailings tab in the ribbon to perform automated mailings, often referred to as performing a mail merge. When you use the Mail Merge feature in Word, you merge information from a table, called a data source, into designated fields in your document. For each record or row within the table, you will typically produce one copy of the document. For example, if you had a table that contained the names and addresses of your customers, you could create a document, like an envelope, for example, that would display the name and address of each customer on its face. In this example, you would create a single envelope document and then place a field for the customer name and another field for the customer address on the face of the envelope. You would then merge the table data into the document, which would produce one envelope for each record in the table. Obviously, this can save a lot of time and money when creating mass mailings. Also, while this example uses an envelope as a document type, you can also create letters, emails, labels, and directories using the Mail Merge feature. In addition, Word can use several types of data sources. You can create a data source in Word, or you can use data from an Excel spreadsheet or Access database table as your data source for a merged document. That flexibility makes this feature very useful when combined with other Microsoft Office applications. To perform a mail merge, you must first create a mail merge document. Next, you choose a data source for the document, which is often a Word data source. In the mail merge document, you can enter the static or unchanging information. For example, entering a return address into a mail merge envelope. This is an example of static information that will not change from envelope to envelope. Next, you insert the merge fields into your document. The merge fields represent the location in the document where you want the corresponding data from the data source to appear. Using the envelope example, you would insert fields for the customer's name and their mailing address. Finally, you merge the information from the data source into the merged document. This often results in a separate document being created, or the output of the mail merge. This is often useful if you still need to make individual changes to each letter. Often this document is discarded when you have finished printing it. However, you always save the data source and the merge document itself. Then in the future, you can recreate the mail merge using the original merge document and the associated data source. Each time you perform a merge, you can choose to send the results of the merge directly to a printer or to a new output document as desired. Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.